Water is life, but for millions around the world, access to clean water is a daily challenge. Imagine living in a world where clean water is a scarce, where access to safe drinking water is a daily struggle. Today, we will explore how solar powered desalination plants are transforming this into a reality and paving the way for a sustainable future. Now, let's start with the basics. Desalination is the process of removing salt from seawater to produce fresh water. Why is this important? Here is why this process is very important. Over 97% of Earth's water is saline, and with rising populations, water scarcity is becoming a global crisis. But traditional desalination methods are expensive and harmful to the environment. Water scarcity is no longer just a concern for the future. By 2025, two-thirds of the global population could face water shortages. Coastal and arid regions like North Africa and parts of Asia already struggle to access clean water. Traditional desalination plants rely on fossil fuels which drive up costs and harm the environment. Solar power desalination flips by offering us sustainable, cost effective, and scalable solutions. Solar power desalination plants is a revolutionary solution for that. It uses the power of sun to make desalination cleaner, greener, and more affordable. How does this solar power desalination work? It mainly uses three main methods. Reverse osmosis forces seawater through membranes to remove impurities. Solar distillation uses the sun's heat to evaporate water, leaving salt behind. Photovoltaic powered systems convert sunlight into electricity for desalination. Each method harnesses solar energy to produce clean water while minimizing the environmental impact. Let's examine the situation before solar power desalination. In Saudi Arabia, fossil fuel powered plants meant higher water costs and emissions. In Kenya, people walked miles for unsafe water, leading to waterborne diseases. In California, droughts depleted underground and threatened agriculture. These challenges demanded for innovative solutions. Now, let's see the transformation. In Saudi Arabia, solar desalination cut operational costs by 40% and reduced carbon emissions by 40,000 tons annually. In Kenya, communities gained access to safe water, reducing disease rates by 50%. In California, water costs for farmers dropped by 20%, preserving the natural aquifers. These examples show the tangible benefits of solar desalination across the diverse settings. Here's the details for implementation. AI Kavsi is the home to world's largest solar desalination plant serving 150,000 people with a capacity of 60,000 cubic meters per day. In Kenya, the Kyunga plant, powered by solar panels, provides clean water to 25,000 people, replacing costly diesel systems. In California, a pilot project reduced reliance on groundwater, offering affordable water for farming and urban use. These projects demonstrate the scalability and adaptability of solar desalination worldwide. Now, coming to the part of benefits, it had a profound impact. Environmentally, it cuts down carbon emissions, protects marine ecosystems by minimizing brine discharge. Socially, it improves health and empowers remote communities with access to safe water. Economically, it reduces costs, creates job opportunities in renewable energy, and makes water affordable for all. Solar power desalination is more than a technology, it's a lifeline for millions of people. Potential is vast. Countries like Australia and sub Saharan Africa could benefit immensely from this technology. While initial setup costs are high, advancement in solar technology are lowering the barriers. With continued investment and innovation, solar desalination will play a pivotal role in achieving SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, SDG 7, affordable and clean energy. To wrap up this, solar power desalination represents a bold step towards a sustainable future. It addresses water scarcity, reduces carbon emissions, and empowers communities. By embracing renewable energy, we are not just solving the water issues, we are building a cleaner, healthier, and more resilient world. This presentation gave you a fresh perspective on solar power desalination plants and its potential to change the world. Thank you.